Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. Okay. Our next point is we want to analyze displacement versus time for the object thrown up from some height of the building. Yeah. Now it is thrown up from some height h. Now we want to know what is the displacement with respect to time. Also. What is the formula we should use? Of course, S is equivalent to ut plus half at square and h is equivalent to ut minus half gt square. So h is equivalent to ut minus 5t square, and this is the formula. And please remember, h is nothing but the displacement. So displacement from starting point of the object. Displacement from the starting point, from here, not from the ground. Because in this case, particular case, they can ask us where is the location of the object from the height of the building or from the ground also. So in that case, we need to do two calculations. Yeah. So now, let me take the example. So this is the height of the building h, and it is given as 100 meters. And the object is thrown up with a speed of u is equivalent to, I'm going to give you, it's 10 meters per second. Okay. Now they are asking us, question number 1, find location of object. One is from top of building, and the second one is from ground. So at what time? At t equivalent to 1 second. Let me take the simple one for the time being. After that, some other model also we can do. Now, at t equivalent to 1 second, find the location of the object from the top of the building and from the ground itself. What is the height of the building is given? It's 100 meters. Yeah. So from the ground means from here, what is the location of the? First, let me take a displacement of the object in 1 second. So use this formula. H is equivalent to ut minus 5t square. So h is equivalent to, what is u value? 10. At what time they are asking? 1 second. Minus 5 into 1 square. So h is equivalent to 10 minus 5. So h is equivalent to 5 meters. So in 1 second, h is equivalent to 5 meters. First, we got this as positive, right? Positive means the displacement is upward. Displacement is upward. So from the starting point, how much height, how much is the displacement to get here? So if this is the height 100 meters given, and it has moved to the 5 meters in t equivalent to 1 second from here. So the question is, by this time we come to know the answer. From the top of the building, so find the location of object from the top of the building. Its answer is, so the first one, it is 5 meters from the top of the building. And to the question number 2, what is the answer? From the ground, what is the location of the object? 100 plus 5. It is nothing but 100 plus 5. It is nothing but 105 meters. Now, let's do one more problem to get more clarity. Now here is, it's 200 meters. The object is thrown up with 20 meters per second. Height of the building is 200 meters. The object is thrown up with 20 meters per second, and they are asking, so find height at which object presents. First one, from top of a building, and second one, from ground. So from top of the building at t equivalent to 2 seconds. At t equivalent to 2 seconds. Yeah. So from ground, even at t equivalent to 2 seconds only. Let us say that reference itself is a time. Now in this case, what do we do? You can use this formula. So h is equivalent to ut minus 5t square. So h is equivalent to u is 20 into t is 2 seconds minus 5 into 2 square. So h is equivalent to 40 minus, how much is that? 20. Okay. So h is equivalent to, it's a 20 meters. So we got positive, right? Yeah. So positive means the displacement is upward only. It's a positive. Now we can answer one of the questions. Find height at which object is present from top of the building. From here, the height it is presenting is 20 meters. So from here, if it is 20 meters it is presenting, Now this is nothing but 20 meters I am calling at t equivalent to 2 seconds. Now from the ground at t equivalent to 2 seconds means from the ground the answer is not 20, it is 200 plus 20. So from ground it's the height it is presenting is 200 plus 20, it's 220 meters at t equivalent to 2 seconds. At t equivalent to 2 seconds. So this is what we should understand. Yeah, thank you.